So guys, you see that bird right there? It's called a nightingale. And there's the other one right. Let's see if I can find it. Where he at? Might have to be gone. So these birds, they have a nest somewhere here. But these are the kind of birds will attack you if you pass by their nests. I'm not sure if he got nest in this tree right here or where, but as soon as I walked past, he was attacking me for going close to his nest, and I'm trying to find out where his nest is so I can show you guys this bird trying to pick me. Alright, here he goes. So his nest is somewhere around here, but I'm not sure. Watch him. So it's a nightingale right here. I don't know if you guys seen him good, but that is one angry bird right here. There's the other one on the ledge of the tree. So if you come across these birds, you gotta watch out for them. Put them back on screen. See? Look. There's the other one. See? Look. There's some angry birds. Small birds, but vicious. Look at him. Look at them. There's some angry birds. They're trying to attack me. Look. Look at him. See how close he is, guys? He's trying to chase me away from the nest. See that? Look at him. Look at him. Two of them. Nightingale. You don't want to mess with them birds when they have their nests. I don't know where your nest is. But look at him. Getting crazy. Look at him. Nest somewhere along here. Somewhere along here you have his nest. But he don't like it when you get close to his nest. It's two of them. Male and female.